So this is a ES5000 Growatt inverter. Okay, this terminal block or input block, we made a mistake and we over tightened that screw right there. So the cable wouldn't hold, the screw's just going around in circles under any amount of torque. Here's some things we knew. Here's some things we found out. If you undo that screw and that screw, it comes off the main board. Okay, that screw, and that screw are just on spade terminals. So in here at the machine, undo that screw, undo that screw, undo that, that and that, and just lift the blues, the browns and the yellows out, and then undo the center screws like I told you. The block comes out. You can get a second hand one of somebody's failed inverter, and it just bolts straight onto the motherboard and you can swap it across. This plug for the generator input is identical to the one behind it for the house 230 volt output. So all of this is on one of these, a Growatt 5000 watt inverter, and you just undo the 4 screws around the edge and the 2 screws at the bottom, take the face off, and you're able to replace that block. Okay, I hope this helps somebody out there who stripped their block as well.